Be honest with you, time is running out to secure high-paying remote job in 2026. I know you're asking me, why did I say this? Why most people are still refreshing their LinkedIn and competing with thousands of applicants. Some of the best roles, actually some of the best roles are being filled quietly on platforms that you are not even looking at. And that is exactly what I am here to share with you today. Not just about applying for jobs or getting a remote job. It is all about positioning yourself as an expert and assessing opportunities before they disappear. So let's get started. Now, the 2026 remote job is not what you think. You might have been thinking, let me just search for clients on LinkedIn, let me go to Upwork, let me even go to Fiverr. And I see a lot of people spending money on Connect on this platform just to get their remote job. But the truth is that everyone is fighting for the same platform. And there are platforms where a small group of people are securing better paying roles. But this platform, they are just not the big one that make noise. They are just low key platform. And that's why I'm here to share this with you. It's the right time to start applying for jobs actively. Do you know the reason? We are in the first quarter of the year 2026. This first quarter of the year, that is when some people resign from their previous role, which means that there is going to be a vacancy in that organization. Some organizations are just scaling up and they are thinking of hiring more team members. So this is the best time to apply. It's not something that is easy. You need to be more proactive when doing it. If you are new here and you are just seeing my video from the first time, thank you for stopping by. My name is Adebisi Ebun, and what I share here is tips for virtual assistants who are seeking for remote role and they are looking for a way to get new clients. So you are going to get tips, resources that can help you transition and start your career as a virtual assistant. So what are you still thinking now? If you're new, click on the subscribe button and join my community. I also have a WhatsApp community where we come together as a close group and share our wins, our resources together. So if you're interested in joining my WhatsApp community, it is already added to this caption. You can click on it and join us. Presently, we're hosting a challenge in my WhatsApp community, which is a jump on challenge. And this challenge will allow you to search for a job not the regular way, in a unique way. And if you're interested in joining also, you're just going to go through the same WhatsApp link, or you can comment interested, then I'm going to share a special link for this special community for you, because the job on challenge community is actually different from the virtual assistant general resource hub. Let's talk about something important. LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, they are not bad platforms. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, as you can see on the screen, and I've got a lot of clients from LinkedIn. But did you know that these platforms are highly oversaturated? I mean, the competition is very high on this platform. Yes. Now, in 2026, many high paying roles are coming from curated job boards, remote first platform, and direct outreach to companies. And something called reverse application, where you pitch to high value clients instead of waiting to be chosen. So some companies, they always prefer proactive talent, and that is where the money is. Proactive talent that can just come to them, their DMs, tell them what they can do and how they can help them solve their organization problem, what they bring to the table. They usually appreciate them. Let's start with the first platform, which is Working Nomads. Now, this platform is great if you are someone who wants location independent work. No, the remote job is always listed on this platform and it's across more than 100 categories. And many of these roles, they pay between $68 to $80 per hour. What is interesting is that some of these jobs operate during unusual hours, overnight, or asynchronous schedule, which means fewer applications and higher pay. So you can find this role at workingnomads.com. As you can see it on my screen, this is what the site is all about. Next, if you're a beginner or you are transitioning into remote work, this should be one of the platforms you can check. It features vetted remote force companies, and clean job listing without all the noise. This platform helps you understand what companies are hiring for and what skills are currently on demand. That platform I want to talk about is Remote OK. It posts full-time, part-time, and freelance roles across more than 50 fields. The process is simple. All you just have to do is to sign up, review the listing, and apply directly. It's less crowded than LinkedIn and offer better feasibility for serious applicants, especially beginners applicants. Now, let's now talk about why some remote job pays higher, like up to $100 per hour. Let me explain why. It is usually because of the following. Number one, they operate in odd time zone. It means that the time that this job operated might be night shift or maybe on the weekends. They require overnight availability, sometime between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. So these are special remote role for people because that particular hour, 1 a.m. to 5 a.m., that is the time most people are sleeping. So for you to apply for this job, it means you are depriving yourself of that sleep, and that's why they are paying you more for this kind of opportunity. Number three, they need urgent or reliable support, or they need special availability, not just skills. So they may need urgent support that requires that they need someone that can actually fill in the gaps and work on them, and they have to pay the person higher rates just to retain the person and make sure that this person is able to solve their pain points right at the moment. High pace often exceeds where convenience ends, and that is what most people overlook. If you want to work remotely, you need to sacrifice some convenience for yourself just to get a high paying job. Otherwise, you are just going to get stuck there as a beginner. If you're a virtual assistant watching my video, here is my advice for you. Don't apply blindly. Always show your professionalism by clearly stating your niche in your job application, and also show your availability and explain in detail the value you bring to the table and how you can help them grow. That is what organization wants. They don't care about your certificates, they don't care about your years of experience. What they want is how are you going to make them grow, how are you going to expand their organization, how are you going to bring reliable solutions to them. That's what they want to hear from you, and that is what you should do. Even if you're not ready to quit your present job now, now is the time to reposition yourself, evaluate yourself, pitch yourself better, and get ready for better opportunities in 2026. Like I said in my intro video, if you want support, job lead, resources, conversation around virtual assistant growth, you're welcome. I run a WhatsApp group where I share all of that. It is a safe space for virtual assistants to thrive, to connect, to ask questions, and to get answer to their question. You will find the link in the description below. I've also added to my comment. Like I said, you're welcome to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.